Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak on the newest version of iOS with no computer needed. So let me just go to the settings and show you guys what's going on. So let's go to the software update and you guys will see I'm currently updated to the newest version of iOS 26.3.1. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak. So let's get into the guide. Alright, it's pretty easy guys, so let's go. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and go over to settings. And the first thing we're going to do is go to battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. Alright, so once you've done that guys, we're going to go ahead and go to general and turn on the background app refresh. So this should be on by default, but if for some reason you have it turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So the final thing we're going to do is go to App Store and turn on the automatic downloads. This should be on by default, but if for some reason you have it turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you do that guys, we should be all set. So let's make sure automatic downloads are turned on to make it working. So now I'm going to go to the browser and show you guys where to go to jailbreak your device. So the website is called iOS so let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the site where we can actually jailbreak our device guys. So let me just type it in. Alright, so once you're on the site guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and press the button that says like start jailbreak. Before you do this, it will ask you to select phone and device version. So I don't need to change the device version, but I'm on an iPhone 11. So make sure to select correct device model and version of iOS. So now I'm going to press start jailbreak and now it will jailbreak my device. So let's just give it a minute to go ahead and finish here. As you can see, it's just going to download all the jailbreak files. So I'm just going to let it do its thing here as you can see. Alright, so we'll just give it a second to go ahead and download. Alright, pretty easy. So yeah, it's pretty cool guys. So now we have a bar coming across. So we're just going to wait for that to go ahead and load. As you can see, alright, so let's just go ahead and wait for this to load here as you can see. Okay, so yes, it's super cool guys. So let's just give it a second. Alright, so anyway guys, I think the jailbreak should be finished. Let's see what happens. Alright, so before we can actually jailbreak our device, we have to download 2 of these apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the real App Store. This finishes the jailbreak, so I'm going to do Travel Town and Family Island. It's going to bring me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just wait for it to load here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and download the app, so let's wait for it to download here, as you can see. Alright, it's almost done, and I'm just going to open it up and do some basic interactions, whatever it said to do on that page. Alright, now I will now download the second app, Family Island, so wait for it to download and open it up. Alright, it's almost done, and I'm just going to open it up and do some basic interactions, whatever it said to do on that page. Let's just go ahead and run it right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, so most of you guys should have no problem doing this. It's very easy. Alright, so let's just go ahead and finish up with this one right here, as you can see. Alright, so anyway guys, now Cydia should pop up or the phone should restart, something like that. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping this works, and I don't see Cydia, so I'm not really sure, but it might work, guys. So let's see what happens, and oh my gosh, it's working, guys. Cydia is downloading, so be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. Look at that, guys. It actually downloaded. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. You can see this actually works. Oh my gosh, look at that. I have fully working Cydia, guys. This is super cool. So yeah, look, it actually works. Fully updated, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It is crazy. We can go ahead and search for a jailbreak theme just so you guys can see how to do it. Lotus is my favorite. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. It actually works, to look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and install this just to show you guys that it does work. But yeah, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Look, so let me just go ahead and download this right here, as you can see, and bang, and actually is working. So be sure, try this out for yourself. It's super crazy. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is so cool. Look at that, it actually worked. Oh my gosh, so be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It is so cool. Look at that, guys. It actually worked. Dang. So yeah, if you guys are interested in jailbreaking on iOS 26, be sure to try it out because this is so cool. See you later.